Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for tuning in for another episode. We've got a banger for you today. And this episode is brought to you by David Payne, owner of Everything Credit, aka the GOAT because he is the greatest of all time. Then our brother, David Stanley, aka the Apache Breed Son. And myself, the pastor of disaster. Our informant on the ground in Vietnam has provided us with a lot of information. In this video, we're going to go over how Andre had borrowed money from someone named Terry to buy his Harley that he talks about all the time in Ho Chi Minh City. Later on, he got stabbed after someone helped him fix the bike, and he got stabbed right in the ass, probably because he didn't pay him. Won a lawsuit against the guy who stabbed him, and then, like the coward he is, Andre fled to Hanoi, where he attempted to date young teenagers, as you see here, because he is a chomo, aka a pedophile. He likes underage women. Took advantage of them by making up stories so he could bed them, get their money, scam them, just like he does with his self-proclaimed credit repair. This is Andre for who he is. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day.